Welcome back!
How to glow up in just 3 days before school. Want to experience a glow up within 3 days before school? You are in a right place. I'm so happy to share with you all the secrets on how to glow up in just 3 days, because school is just around the corner. It's time for you to glow up from this to this. Are you excited? It's the time of the year again, and we are so excited to get ready and level up our appearance and glow before going back to school. Let's start to make this school year your best year. Skincare routine. It's important that you have a skincare routine and establish a consistent cycle, whether it's day or night routine. Do cleansing, moisturizing, and toning. Always consider products that are suited to your skin type and needs. Hydration and healthy diet. Don't forget to drink lots of water to keep your skin and body hydrated. Eat vegetables, fruits, and meat to maintain a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and protein. Exercise. Motivate yourself to be active in exercise or engaged in physical activities. This could help you maintain your height and be more focused on a lot of things. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This may help your body and mind relaxed. Clothing. Do decluttering and keep those clothes or pieces that make you feel comfortable and confident. Choose outfits that suits you and shows your personality. Hair. Trim your hair at least once a month to help your hair grow fast and remove split ends. If you want to touch up your hair with color, always consider the color that suits you and if it's allowed in your school or university. Grooming. Trim your nails and keep it clean. Go to a salon, do manicure and pedicure. Accessories. Collect jewelries that you like and that suits to every outfit that you wear. Accessories at a glam looking to your appearance. You can add cute bags, sandals, and glasses. Confidence. Confidence is the most important single factor in this game, and no matter how great your natural talent, there is only one way to obtain and sustain it work. If we all did the things we are capable of doing. Organization. Being organized isn't about getting rid of everything you own or trying to become a different person. It's about living the way you want to live, but better. Personal hygiene. Always think about your good personal hygiene. Makeup. Apply a light amount of makeup on your face to give a natural and fresh looking. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you could share your wonderful experience doing this. Don't forget to subscribe.